You guys aren't attached to this, right?
The other
Do you
modes
want
are.
this? Hey, steering. Give. Ooh. Ooh, Buddy Holly.
I hear you.
Ooh, Mary Tyler Moore.
Getting louder.
Hi.
Oh,
There's an emergency exit right here, but I don't think it's real.
I don't think I added the feed me part. Killed Spooky! Oh gosh. Well. Opened the door that she said she didn't think was real and murdered her.
Me.
Yeah, because it's in a warehouse.
Father, I crave violence. I crave
saying I
violence,
didn't
Father.
add
I'm
enough
spending the rest of the
landmines.
night trying to murder Snoopy. I do not care. Snoopy deserves to die, and he needs to know it.
Oh,
Snoopy,
I
I
didn't even
fucking
think of that.
hate you. Hey, a skill point. I got a skill point. Camptown Races sing is song. Doo-da, doo-da. Squat on the floor and play guitar. Whoa, the doo-da day. Oh, this is not what I was expecting. Oh, sewer. I'll follow you in sewer.
Well, the door's locked, so here, both doors are locked and we're trapped.
Oh, can we not get... Oh. What it, that's me! That's me! That's literally me!
Do you have a bat?
I have a bolt! That's literally me! It's me!
It was emoting! Get away from me! Oh no!
Don't bring it over here! Yeah,
It's
no.
gonna be cumulative across all of them.
Ah, fucking the jets, Josh! Ah! I don't want to live my life like this!
Just want to play.
I don't want to play! No. No. No! I'm saying no! Hey! Hey, assholes in the ship! Leave! Leave! No, no, no! No! I don't want to be a part of this!
Don't.
I want off of Mr. Boneless's wild ride! I fucking hate this game, man.
Oh no, no, you fell in with a mimic,
No!
you have a key!
Oh no!
Oh, that is a mimic.
We need a key.
This is... No! Don't come by me! Ah!
Get out.
Help me!
We can get out!
Oh, now he wants me.
You can get
Oh
out!
shit, there's two of them.
No, this is me. One of me is real.
Hands full, no! Oh, now there's two.
Now there is two of them.
You can use the ladder. I didn't
And
realize
they're
it.
emoting at us? What the fuck?
Yep.
Oh shit.
Yep.
Hormon!
No!
Yippee! Yippee!
Hi,
Yippee!
Snoopy. Now there's three of them.
Come on, guys, get away from the ladder.
There was the ladder. I didn't realize we
Hands
could go up the ladder this whole time.
Oh no, it's just Eric and three mimics,
is
no
the bug yelling
Hornblock. They're all looking at him.
No, let me escape,
You can do it,
yes!
you can do it! You can do it!
Nope!
Oh no! Okay, well now there's four mimics.
Your mimic was like, no, I don't want to be a part of this!
Sorry, everybody.
Ow.
The spider has
Did you
your
say
voice.
there's a locked door?
What the? Oh, that's a spider. I'm so fucking mad at Snoopy.
You're welcome.
Fucking hate you. Give me Buddy Holly.
He's right here too.
Come on. I got the bees. 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 Are back. Go, 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 go. I get the bees. Go, 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 go. The bees are back. Get them, go.
It's going! It's going!
I'd like to point out that Eric's leg is backwards.
I like to point that you're standing in the file cabinet. So I'm gonna. Hey, Eric. Do you see
Bees?
what I see?
I will distract the bees.
Oh, bees! I get the thing! I got the bees! I go get the thing! I got the bees!
I couldn't get it.
Bees! I got it! Oh, God! It's fine. It's totally fine. Where are the bees? I have the nest. The bees are mad! I'm still running around carrying the nest! They're mad!
Oh yeah, they really want that nest.
What do I do?
If you put it on the roof, will it still count?
I don't know, we can find out, and then everyone's gonna have a bad time when we get back. Let's find out.
They want me now. I hear the bees swarm every now
I'm
and
afraid
then.
to leave. Oh, he is Freddy. Oh no. Oh no. Eric, leave. The bees are back. Yes, sorry, Eric. I saw that one coming.
Yay! Where's my shovel?
Don't huff.
You want a shovel?
I want to beat things.
Not even remotely surprised. This is what I come back to. Locked. Okay, bye. Hello.
Ma'am, there's a ladder.
Just shut up.
Ow, ankles.
Oh. Does kill button work?
Oh, what the fuck? She hit K.
I think she might have hit K.
The kill button works.
Oh, Thumper coming down that hallway right now.
Hey, look at that. Ooh, candy. Get back here.
Beat its ass.
Get back here.
Over there.
Oh shit.
Okay, well, the
Got
good
him.
news is the Thumper is dead.
Alright, I got the thumper.
I got his flashlight. Wait, come
Jesus
back.
Christ.
Wait, come back.
Can I emote with it? Oh, there's what? It spawns more?
I accidentally became a Thumper, sorry.
What?
It's gone.
What?
Okay.
Alright, I'll do blow this.
Couldn't
You happy
fucking
with yourself,
stand carrying
bro?
this
You
fucking
happy?
Shit, Jack in the Box.
flashlight.
I
Where the
am
fuck do we
happy
go?
with myself.
Let's leave.
You're not the
no,
Jack in the
there's a
Box,
jester.
correct?
He's after you. Let's
Yeah,
go this
yeah,
way. Over here.
It's not even you. I'm gonna go spectate the Jack
He
in the
just
Box.
fucking. Is that this way?
Why is it playing Freebird? Oh God, why is it playing Freebird? I found it over here! Quickly! We gotta go! Oh my God! Oh, Jesus Christ!
I was not expecting Freebird.
You shouldn't progress past this point.
Capybaras? Capybaras! I don't. He yawned. Why don't you care about the capybaras? No, bye.
This is
The girls come to you eventually.
Yeah, I'm ignoring that. Shut up. I know, and I'm fully choosing to ignore that until it becomes a problem.
we're
Got
equipped.
spooky something.
Give. How do I use it?
I don't know.
Press O when. Am I dead?
No, you're not.
There's a dog coming.
You know what I haven't seen? Good luck! I might have just doomed us all to hell. Sorry. I'm a gentleman. Shut up. You were standing inside a filing cabinet. Karu, where are we? Buddy Holly. Your name is Billy?
Now we have 2 chemicals.
Hello.
Hey.
Hi.
Awful. Is that actual
Come on.
spooky?
Run blankly and wildly through the ever hallways, like a wind turbine flying in a storm. Oops, it's decapitated a cow. Then the cow is dead. Where the flip-flop am I?
Hi. I got a yip. What did I do?
Hey, here he is. I see him.
Oh, see him? Alright.
Okay, well, it answered my question if the Backrooms mod is installed in this. This is a really weird statement to make without seeing a mirror, but I feel like I need to reapply my lipstick. Nope, 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 nope. Oh, 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 ship! Ship!
Welcome back.
I'm gonna take away my camera and my mic, and whatever happens between them is between them and Baphomet. So I'll be back in a second.
So the laser gun doesn't work against it? Or...
Clearly not, and Spooky is a terrible rescuer, so
Yeah, she's AFK.
take that.
Somebody's got ghosts, by the way, so enjoy.
Hope that's not me, because I got a cheese stick.
Oh shit.
I'm scared. Oh. Oh god.
That I won.
Oh, I heard Eric.
Nice.
I hear you!
Oh no. Oh, you got the girls.
Oh, I lost you. Uh-oh.
I'm here. I'm here.
Marco.
You're playing
Hello.
up, yeah.
What?
Yeah, they're talking to me! Ooh, a pill bottle. Do you actually know out, or are we running blind? He laughed at me!
I'm here. We're running blindly.
The girl literally just said, I'm here!
She's got something in his mouth.
Running blindly.
Welcome. Did you also get spooky ghosted?
I got grilled.
The game can pick up our conversations when we're dead too and play them.
Hey, game, suck my dick. Game, please pick
It's
that
funny
up.
because he just said, "Suck my dick."
Oh my gosh. Were you the
Or
one
at
to
least
suck
we
my
really
dick?
suck. And
Oh, there goes all our
goes all of our
stuff.
loot.
Hello.
Nutcracker that's right here.
He's locked and loaded.
I'm gonna leave.
Yeah, it's Nutcracker.
He's locked and loaded?
Not my problem.
And a spider.
There's just
Right
wood.
here. Yep, there. There's a thumper.
Come back. He's so cute. Look at him. No, come back. I love you. Why does everything I love leave? Hello. Teleporter.
Turtle.
Hello.
Just scream
Oh.
teleport.
Oh. Teleporter. Oh.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, hi.
Y'all want to know what we are immediately going for? The teleporter.
Oh, I did not do that.
Not my problem. Hello? Oh, he's fine. He's just fart bug. Am I stuck? Oh, bro. This way?
Yeah.
Let's go to the fire
There's a
exit.
spider. Hi, buddy.
Okay.
Come on. Jump past the spider.
There's a turret! Not gonna lie, I really
know
thought
that.
I would make that.
There's a, like, fucking worm thing.
Here.
Where?
River.
No, you stop!
River. Take this.
Where are the
I
others?
don't
Hey!
know.
Gone.
Hey!
Bye.
Hey!
Run!
Fucking love garlic cheese sticks, man. They're so good. Hello?
Sir, I don't want.
Oh. Hi.
Dum Dum was right here. Dum
Oh,
Dum was
right
right
now
here.
I'm right here, so I am Dum Dum.
Dum Dum is over here.
Dum
He
Dum.
backed away.
I'm Dum Dum.
We're
Where's
going
he
this
at?
way.
Wait, what's this?
And the
There's stuff. Wait, there's stuff.
Hey, guys.
Okay.
I was
She's
forced to
dead.
use the telephone. I was forced to
Fuck off. Hey. Oh.
Oh,
You fucked up. I think he's dead.
Hey, get wrecked,
Well,
Found the
Snoopy,
exit.
you a monster?
What
Snoopy's a
the
monster.
hell?
There's 3 items in here. Don't like.
I'm hearing Freebird.
What's Freebird? What's Freebird?
Run. Wait, wait.
Oh.
Whoa! It's Freebird.
Wait, Snoopy, are you not Freebird?
I
Meow.
was, but I fell into a pit.
You fell into a pit as a
Fucking
monster?
laugh at me, you stinky little monster.
Yes.
You fucking failure.
Wait, do we have to move? Fuck.
Hi, Eric. I don't like how it wiggles in the wind!
There's a wasp net right outside the ship.
Oh fuck, you wanna fly around, find out where's the wasp nest? Where is it? Where is it? It's fine, I got it. It's fine. Okay, don't go into the ship. It is completely fine. I feel like there's a lot of issues happening
Yeah,
right
it's
now.
still.
Teleporter, bye!
Oh shit.
Hello?
Bees in the trap and the bees in the trap and bees
Oh,
in the
hi.
trap and welcome to the death. There's bees in the trap.
Did you tie to the bees in the ship?
Hey, that's a hornet nest.
Bees in the trap.
The fuck?
There's bees in the ship and bees in the trap.
Bees in the ship. There's bees in the ship. Hi, Snoopy.
No. Hi, Snoopy.
Hi.
Hi.
There's bees in the
There's
ship.
bees in the ship.
Bees in the ship. Those bees did not follow that nest
Hi,
either.
There's bees in the ship.
Those bees want vengeance.
God, my screen locked
Hi,
up.
Nathan.
The draft.
Josh is
Hi,
gonna
bees.
spend the next lap.
Oh.
Elliot's
Put the
in
bees
bad
back in the
mood.
ship, Josh.
Bobby, you can't go fucking around with bees like that.
Elliot,
That's
Josh is
actually
dealing
good.
with bees, so you're on your own. Sorry.
I don't know what you mean by that.
Oh, there's a mimic in the ship.
I don't.
He can't do anything.
Yes.
There's a
Yes,
mimic in the
there's a
ship.
mimic in the ship.
There is a mimic in the ship.
Oh my god, he is.
He's got the face, too.
Oh no.
Bunch of brews.
Shut up.
That's all gray. Oh, hi.
Oh.
Thanks.
Elliot got eyed.
I don't believe Josh has
Josh,
sex
go!
with
Alien beans! Yeah, I'm here. No! Wait! No! Man! Look.
There's a thumper.
Oh.
There's a.
It's Coilhead.
Yeah.
There's
There's
a
a thumper.
coil head.
I got him.
There's a thumper right there.
Okay. Oh, Thumper, why?
Oh, I'm behind him.
Really?
Me too.
Oh, bro. Oh, no. Hello?
Run, run, run.
Nah, it's fine. Fear not. I also heard it, at least. Danger! There's danger! There's a spider! Danger! Yeah, good job, team. I miss Billy. Come here, Freddy. Hey, Freddy, where you at? Hello? No! Bad!
Bear with me.
Hello? Snoopy?
Yes.
Where are you? Hi. Freddy's close. Oh. Bro, look. Great. Gonna act like that never happened. And somebody once told me that this is copyright.
You know, the things you get from Taco Bell.
Yeah,
Yeah,
pandas. The
Michelada.
same thing you get from Taco Bell. Yeah, those things.
They got apple filling.
What Taco
Okay.
Bell are you going to? Toothpaste? Hell yeah!
It's gotta be. Oh my god, it depends.
Panic! Panic is good. Panic is what we want. Get out of here! Teleporter, bye! Okay, well that didn't really help much, let's be honest here. Bro, look, I'm not in the mood, my guy. Fuck off kindly. Look, hey, this is like the last game of the night. Can you maybe chill for 2 seconds? Hey, look, I'm just saying, where the fuck is the door? I'm just saying, my guy. Like, all you have to do is to not to. It's so simple. That's an open door. Bro, look. Oh, it's the cow room again. What do you know? Hey, how do I get out of here? I don't know. I feel like you should know this better than I do, but hey, what do I know? Hey, broski, how do I get out of here? Freddy, shut up. How do I get a kitchen? Great, you're in danger. Good luck.
Too fast for their yippee ass.
It's in his hand.
Is it?
Oh my
holding it
god,
right now.
he took it. He took it. He
Oh,
took
he
it.
did. Which
I don't
one?
care. I'll do it.
Oh, no, I'm already here. I'm in front of you.
No.
I'm
No.
already here.
No.
I had to figure
I don't think that's real.
I don't think it's real.
You gave Maxwell a gun.
Did we fuck around and find out? Oh, shit. We fucked around and found out. Who's shitting at something? Hello? Oh, hi.
Oh, there's a turret.
Okay, I see what you're shitting at something.
Freddy killed,
Turret! 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 I think Elliot died.
axle.
Not my problem. I'm really sad that none of these do anything, and you die. Oh my god. Hi.
Don't shut the door again, you jerk. No! Alright, anybody else want to get eaten?